You know, in Chinese philosophy, there's this one element that's considered the wisest of them all. It's not the strongest and it's not the brightest, but it has the deepest wisdom. So today, we're going to dive into the element of water and the incredible power of finding your flow.
I mean, you know that feeling, right? Life throws something totally unexpected your way, and instead of fighting it, you just adapt. You kind of find a new path and just keep on moving. Well, here's the thing. That instinct, it's not just you being passive. It is a genuine strength. It's like a superpower that's rooted in ancient wisdom, and it's the very essence of the water element.
That's right. We're actually going to look at water as the wisest superhero of the 5 elements. See, it doesn't have a fixed shape or a rigid plan. Its real power comes from its ability to be anything it needs to be at any given moment.
So what really makes water, well, water? It's all about 5 key traits. First, there's flow and movement, a constant reminder that even the softest thing can wear away the hardest rock. Its depth gives it profound wisdom and a love for deep thinking. Its ability to fill any container makes it the absolute master of adaptability. It's also tied to winter, a time for quiet rest and storing up energy. And finally, it's all about communication, connecting everything, just like rivers connect the mountains to the sea. Okay, so this brings up a really good question. What does this element say about you? Let's find out if you recognize a little bit of this wise superhero in your own personality. Just sit with this idea for a second. Imagine your thoughts, not as some chaotic storm, but as this vast, deep ocean, calm on the surface, but holding so much knowledge and so many secrets down below. That, right there, is the mind of a water person. So if you're a water person, you're probably a deep thinker. You just love exploring those big questions. You're also a great communicator. You help ideas flow between people, and you're super adaptable. Now, on the flip side, that sensitivity can sometimes lead to a bit of fear or worry, kind of like a small stream that's hesitating before a huge waterfall. Does any of that sound familiar? Now, your water energy can feel totally different depending on how strong it is. When it's strong, life feels smooth, you know? Opportunities just seem to flow your way, and it's an amazing time to learn and connect with people. But when that energy is weak, you might feel tired, confused, or just stuck. But the good news is, you can totally influence this balance. So how do you actually strengthen that flow? Well, we can turn to some practical action. You can actually boost this energy right in your own home using a few simple feng shui tips. Okay, here's a super simple 4-step guide. First, bring in the colors of the deep sea. We're talking blacks and dark blues. Step 2, add decor that literally represents water, like a small fountain, a picture of the ocean, or even just furniture with curvy, wavy shapes. Third, use mirrors and glass. They act like still water, reflecting light and helping that energy move freely. And finally, and this is probably the most important step, get rid of clutter. You want energy to flow like a clean river, not get stuck in a dam of your stuff. All right, so we've powered up your home. Now what? How does this incredible adaptability and deep thinking translate into the real world? Let's talk about your career. People with strong water energy, they just thrive in jobs that require diving deep into mysteries, like scientists or researchers. Their communication skills make them amazing writers, journalists, or counselors. And that adaptability? It's perfect for diplomats and negotiators. And of course, some are just drawn right to the source, as sailors or marine biologists. And really, that's what this all boils down to. The water element isn't just about being clever or flexible. It's about using that deep thinking and that gift of communication to become a better friend, a better listener, and just a wiser presence in the world. So I'll leave you with this to think about. If your life were a river, where is it flowing right now? Are you in a calm, deep pool, just gathering your thoughts? Are you navigating some rapids? Or are you flowing freely out toward a big, open ocean full of possibilities? Thanks for joining me.